Welcome to IBC 2024.
Discover game-changing innovations, explore new business models,
And network with over 170 countries right here in Amsterdam. So Sylvain, it's day 2 of IBC. How's the show going so far?
So exciting show, yeah. Many news, many new things to see, many technologies. So yeah, it's an amazing show, yeah.
It's a very good energy here this year, so super exciting. So Sylvain, can you tell me how BCE is positioned in the media and broadcast industry?
Yeah, sure. We are a strong actor in the media industry. We are not only a service provider, but also we are designing complex architecture, complex infrastructure for broadcasters, for TV stations, for radio, or events. So we have strong skills in the company to design all this architecture, and we provide them services on top of this architecture and design. Yeah.
Talk to me about some of the trends that you're seeing unfolding in the industry and how you're meeting those trends.
Yeah, I would say the first trend that we see that I started, we said a few times ago, is a massive direction towards a cloud-based architecture and IP-based workflow. This is something that we have started a few years ago at BCE, but we really see now it's not a question of do we have to go in the industry, everybody's going, and now we have to balance between hybrid, private and public cloud to go where is the best model. I would say that as a new trend that we see for few times is the fact that data is becoming a real primary asset in our industry. We need to control the data, we need to analyze the data to take all the benefits we can get from this. So I think it's important today to, in our type of organization, to start having a very strong governance and administration of this subject of data, to bring then more efficiencies in operations, to control our infrastructure, to control the cost, but also coupled with AI functionalities now to enhance the product, the services, and to create new services in the global portfolio of the media. Yeah.
And what are you showcasing here this year at IBC?
You know that we have observed that in this industry many actors are facing the complexity of technology. When you just want to manage the content and to distribute it, now you need to control and to master the software, cloud architecture, the APIs, all these new technologies is moving very fast. So that's why we are introducing MediaasaService. So MediaasaService is a simple and secure platform, online platform, where you can find a portfolio of services dealing with media, just to give the simple access for the customer to have media applications for his workflow. So this launch today will onboard 4 of the existing products of BCE. Play-it, that is a play-out solution. It can start play-out very easily. Holovox to allow to make remote commentaries for sports events like basketball or football. NXP, that is a news content platform to allow a news exchange between the news agency, broadcasters, all people working on this area. And also we have Freecaster, our comprehensive solution to manage streaming, whether it is live or VOD. So the idea of MediaasaService is to onboard these services, and we have a roadmap to add in the future many other functionalities that we will get from partners, and to plug all this functionality in this media system. Yeah.
Who is this for, and what are the future use perspective cases?
Yeah, this product really, as I said, is willing to bring the easy access of the services. So for all the broadcasters, for all the content owner who wants just to simplify the fact to show events in a quick click, it's easier. Imagine that you want to broadcast, let's say, a match of basketball. You want to add a specific logo, and you want to make a commentary with a commentator based in another country. So you go to the platform, you select the remote commentary functionalities, the streaming. With few parameters that you will have, you can set your end-to-end workflow and then go to the live. Just publish your content as easily, yeah, without going to the usual workflow by going to the sales, to the engineers, to the setup. Here, in few seconds, you are able to be live with your event.
So Sylvain, tell me, what does the future look like for BCE?
When you project yourself into the future, you need first to know who you are and what is your past. It's important to project yourself in the future with the foundation of what you are, your strengths. So for sure, the mission of BC will remain to stay a very strong and robust service provider with very strong engineering skills to build this architecture now based with new technologies. So we are enhancing all this technology by enhancing the skills of our engineering and integrating them in our architecture. And I guess that the future will bring more efficiency, more speed in the way we can design and we can react to the market and help the customer with a very proactive offer. So now we have access to news, to technology very easily than it was in the past. So I think that the speed will be today the key point to match the customer requirement now and not in 2 days or in 2 weeks.
Absolutely. Well, wishing you well and have a fantastic rest of your show here at IBC.
Thank you very much for the interview. Yeah, I appreciate it. Thank you.